Hi everyone, I want to show you something very cute that you can do as a project, or because let's say you're going to a party and last minute you realize that you don't have a fancy sock for your child's dress or whatever you're doing that day, and you need something fancy. So you realize you have a simple sock and you need something like to make it unique. So I usually have a lot of ribbons and different things that I can add to my clothing, like embellishments, beads. So for this project, I'm going to show you something very, very cute. So you're going to need a sock, plain sock, let's say. You're going to need a nice thread to match close as possible to the sock and the ribbon like this that I have here. Okay. You're going to need a scissor. You're going to need a needle and pins. So let me start. I'll show you what we're going to do. So let me first thread my needle. I just cut enough to make sure I have enough. Okay. Okay, so let me thread it. Sorry, it's a little bit hard to. Okay, got it. Okay, so you're gonna keep it like this here, and you're gonna take the end and make a knot. Okay, let me make one knot. I'm sorry, just trying to. Okay, now, so once you have the knot there, okay, so you're gonna leave a little bit out here like this. You're gonna make only one knot. Then you're gonna take the sock. You're gonna roll out the top, and then you're gonna turn it inside out. Okay, the reason you're doing that is because when you're gonna try to sew the ribbon on, right? So what's gonna happen is that, for example, the ribbon. So first let me cut up the ribbon so I can show you better. So let's go around this approximately. You don't want to make it too tight. Just gonna measure the okay. So what's gonna happen is that right now your sock is inside out. So when you're gonna be turning it around, right? The part that you sewed in is gonna go right out. Okay, so that's how you're doing that. So we're gonna, once we sew it, you will see. Okay, so let's take it out. Take our ribbon that we just cut up. Okay, so let's start. Show you something cute. Okay, so if you want to use like a pin to just make sure your sock is straight. Okay, so if you find it hard and you never sew, you can take a pin just to hold it, make it easier for you. Just hold it here, and then you take it out. And you take it out when you done sewing. It's gonna hold it in place for you. If you're nervous that you can't hold it, your hands are shaky, and you don't sew usually, so okay, so you're gonna do it like this, and then just keep it like this, doesn't matter, just to hold it, and then you'll take it off. So let's start here. Okay, so you take your needle and thread, go in here, right from the corner. Okay, gonna pull your needle through. So you're gonna make just regular line stitch here. Then you're gonna find the second part. So now you have the main, right? You made a knot. So you're gonna try not to go to the white part so you don't see it. So let's see how we can do it this way. So you can go back in. Okay, you're gonna do this. Go back in. Once again, no. So that this way we can go back up to the place that there is no. Okay, so now it's secure. So now we're gonna try to come out where we don't have the white circle here. So you can do it right here. Okay, so make sure right here, like this. Okay, and then you're gonna go back in again, close as possible to that where you came up from. So I'm gonna take this off. I don't need it. It's harder for me to work with it. Go back into where you came from, and you're gonna pull it again. So you don't want to make the thread and the thread too long so that it doesn't get stuck all over. But it's fine if you're used to doing it this way, like I'm doing with a long one, because I like to make sure it's enough, you know. So then once you have that, okay, so now we're gonna try to find the place here next that's gonna not have the white circle, so we don't see the thread, which is gonna be here. I'm gonna make it a little bit wide so that the video doesn't go for too long. My stitches are gonna be wider, but you can do close as you can. I'm just trying to get it good for you on the camera so you can see what I'm saying. So you're gonna go through here straight to, now let's go here, this one. Okay, so now make sure there's not a knot. Okay, so then you come out right here. So as you can see, you don't see it. You don't see the thread, and you don't see it on the white circles. So you can do like close to each other, like every other place that they have between the circles. I'm just doing it fast for the video, so I'm like making it bigger. Okay, so then we're gonna go back in again. I'm gonna go back the same way we went. Oopsie, I lost my, it's okay. Okay, so let me just put this back in. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. I just want to show you guys how it would look when it's done, because the video is getting too long. Okay, so then what you're gonna do is when you have so let me put this back in. Okay, so let's imagine you're getting it to the end. We're just gonna do this as a sample. Getting to the end of the sock, right? Okay. Make sure it's here. Okay. So you can put it under here if you have enough space there. Okay. So this way it's not visible. Okay. See, stuck somewhere. Okay. So okay. So here, I'm gonna try to hide it. Give me 1 second. Okay. So now you're gonna go back in here, right here. Okay, because you want to put it all together, both of the ribbon ends. Okay, this way it connects. Don't mind, mine is a little bit loose because I didn't sew the whole thing. I don't want to make the video wait too long. So and see, now it's connected. So now let me show you how you would finish the knot. So then you would take this here, you would go under. So this is basically the place where you started, the knot that you had in the middle. So you're gonna go around it a little bit, like underneath it, to secure it. So we were in the process of making the knot to secure it, and then we're gonna be done with it. Okay, so once you do that, you're gonna cut it off. Okay, make sure it's not visible. And then mine is a little bit not done because I'm just doing a sample video. Okay, so you're gonna bring it upside, tucked back in, bring it out. Okay, so this is how your sock is gonna look. So let's, mine is moving around because we didn't finish the whole thing. This is just a sample. So basically you're gonna have like this beautiful sock here that I'm showing you. Okay, so that will match whatever dress or outfit your child is wearing. So you have this nice beautiful sock. How gorgeous is that? You can add a bow if you want here, but this is, the tutorials are more for ribbons because I have a lot of ribbons lying around. I'm sure you do also. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you're welcome to ask, and I'll be back soon. Thank you.